Hello everyone, welcome to my BIOB34 travel video. My name is Sarah and I'll be taking you along to Hyde Park, where we will explore the beautiful nature and wild animals. We will also investigate how their physiologies help them thrive in their natural environment. Let's go! My journey begins with the TTC. I take the 505 streetcar to Broadview Station, then transfer and head towards Hyde Park Station. From there, it's a short walk directly to Hyde Park. The entire trip takes about 50 minutes. You might wonder, why did I choose a location so far away? As a student, I spend a lot on the monthly TTC pass and a significant portion of my day commuting between places. What stands out to me is how accessible Hyde Park is via the TTC. Hyde Park serves as a contrast to the busy urban environment. It is a space where nature feels more present. It offers a temporary escape from the city as I can observe wildlife, plant life, and natural ecosystems up close. Additionally, Hyde Park is arguably Toronto's most significant park, holding protected species, recreational centers, and playgrounds. Its seasonal cherry blossoms also attract thousands of tourists, especially families. Luckily, I was able to catch the cherry blossoms a few days after their peak bloom. First, I walked to Grenadier Pond, the largest body of water in Hyde Park. On the shoreline, I spotted two mallards hanging out. Believe it or not, these two are the same species. This is because mallards are sexually dimorphic, meaning the sexes look completely different. The duck with the green iridescent head is male, while the brown one is female. Sometimes, you'll see them tucking their bodies inward to rest. While a duck's core body temperature is warm, their unfeathered legs are highly vulnerable to heat loss. To protect themselves, they use countercurrent heat exchange in their blood vessels to keep themselves warm while allowing their feet to approach freezing temperatures. They also use behavior to save energy. By tucking their beak and feet into their feathers, they can trap excess body heat. However, don't confuse mallards for wood ducks. While they look similar and share the same ponds, they belong to an entirely different genre. Did you know that waterfowl crossbreed all the time? But because these two are so far apart on the evolutionary tree, their hybrids are sterile. Also, Hyde Park has many turtle breeding sites. You may see turtles by the pond when it's warmer out. Crawling on wood, there's a European fire ant. Did you know this is an invasive species from Eurasia? It is reddish-brown and measures just 4 to 5 millimeters long. As you can see, they appear heavily armored with a glossy body cuticle. Their signature traits are a 2-segmented waist and distinctively curved 12-segmented antennae. Because these ants are ectotherms, their body temperature closely matches the surrounding environment. To survive harsh winters, they use a strategy called supercooling, where their body fluids remain liquid below their normal freezing point by preventing ice crystal formation. As the seasons change, they accumulate natural chemical cryoprotectants, such as glycerol and glucose. This drops their internal fluids freezing point to almost negative 30 degrees Celsius. By keeping their body fluids completely liquid, they protect their cells from fatal ice damage. Next up is the red-winged blackbird. Like mallards, they're sexually dimorphic. The males are jet black with bright red and yellow stripes on their wings, while females are a streaky brown. Red-winged blackbirds are actually one of the most abundant and boldly colored birds across North America. During the breeding season, these males fiercely defend their territories, spending more than a quarter of their daylight hours chasing away rivals. In this polygynous species, one male could have up to 15 female mates. For this songbird, the male's vocalizations are everything. They can rapidly change the structure of their songs and adjust their singing patterns to avoid being masked by urban noise pollution. In Hyde Park, these are the loudest birds you'll hear. Scurrying through the brush, you might spot the eastern chipmunk. This small rodent is identified by 5 dark stripes along its back, separated by 5 bands with a reddish patch near its rump. It also has facial stripes with large cheek pouches used to carry food to its nest. Chipmunks build underground burrow systems with interconnected tunnels, including storage chambers for seeds and a nesting area lined with leaves. In the winter, eastern chipmunks don't migrate or rely on thick layers of body fat. Instead, they enter multi-day bouts of torpor. during which their core body temperature and metabolic rates drop to conserve energy. Every week or so, they undergo an interbout arousal period to temporarily restore their normal body temperature. Even during these arousal periods, chipmunks maintain lower normothermic body temperatures and reduced metabolic rates compared to their summer conditions. Thank you for joining me on my journey to Hyde Park. In summary, animals can employ a diverse array of physiological and behavioral strategies to navigate a competitive world. From shifting internal mechanisms to altering how they communicate, local wildlife demonstrates an incredible capacity to adapt, survive, and actively coexist alongside human-dominated environments.